Oldsmobile, a legacy of innovation in American automotive history. Brought to you by Untold Facts from Morale Edutech. For more than 100 years, Oldsmobile served as a fundamental part of the American automotive sector. By leading the way in mass production and developing some of the earliest muscle cars, Oldsmobile influenced the manufacturing and driving of vehicles. Although the brand was officially retired in 2004, its legacy in the automotive industry remained strong. Oldsmobiles were initially produced by the Olds Motor Vehicle Company in Lansing, Michigan, a firm established by Ransom Olds in 1897. Following the merger of Olds Motor Vehicle Company and the Olds Gas Engine Works by Ransom Olds in 1899, the resulting company was named Olds Motor Works. Oldsmobile was a leading car manufacturer in the United States during the years 1903 to 1904. The Oldsmobile model, our curved dash, produced from 1902 to 1907, holds the distinction of being the first mass-produced automobile manufactured using a progressive moving automotive assembly line, an innovation frequently misattributed to Henry Ford and the Ford Motor Company. Olds was a formidable rival to other independent brands, such as Buick and Cadillac prior to their incorporation as divisions of General Motors between 1908 and 1909. General Motors purchased the company in 1908. The 1910 Limited Touring Series 23 represented an early and ambitious peak for the company. It featured 42-inch wheels and came with factory-installed white tires, making it limited the premium model in Oldsmobile's two-model range, while the smaller Oldsmobile Autocrat Series 32 was equipped with 36-inch wheels. The Oldsmobile Series 40 was introduced in 1912, featuring a more compact and budget-friendly design. Subsequently, the company launched the Oldsmobile Light 8. From 1916 until 1923, Oldsmobile provided a flathead V8 engine designed by Northway. In 1926, the Oldsmobile 6 was available in 5 different body styles and marked the introduction of a new GM body steel platform known as a GMB platform, which was also utilized by Buick products. In 1929, as a component of General Motors' companion make initiative, Oldsmobile launched the more premium Viking brand. In the 1930s, Oldsmobile manufactured 2 types of automobile body styles: the Series F, which featured a straight 6-cylinder engine, and the longer Series L. In 1940, Oldsmobile became the pioneering automobile manufacturer to introduce a fully automatic transmission known as a Hydromatic, which includes 4 forward speeds. This system operates with a gas pedal and a brake, eliminating the need for a clutch pedal. The gear selector is conveniently located on the steering column. Oldsmobile once more took the lead by introducing the rocket engine in the 1949 model, featuring an overhead valve V8 design instead of the flathead straight 8 design that was common during that era. In the 1950s, the naming conventions underwent another change, and trim levels were assigned names that were subsequently combined with the model numbers. This led to the Oldsmobile 88 being introduced as the Base Dynamic 88 and the Premium Super 88. The Oldsmobile 442 originated as a muscle car option package in 1964, featuring a 4-barrel carburetor, a 4-speed manual transmission, and dual exhaust available for the F, 85, and Cutlass. Oldsmobile Cutlass, 1961 to 1999, a mid-size vehicle. It was Oldsmobile's top seller during the 1970s and 1980s, and in certain years, it was the best-selling car in America. The Oldsmobile Starfire, 1961 to 1966, was a stylish and opulent hardtop coupe and convertible derived from the 88 model. It boasted interiors equipped with leather bucket seats and a center console featuring a floor shifter, as well as standard Hydromatic transmission, along with power steering and brakes. The Oldsmobile Jetstar, 1964 to 1966. The somewhat lesser-known Jetstar made its debut in 1964. It was intended as an affordable alternative to the popular full-size Starfire series. Oldsmobile Delta 88, 1949 to 1999. Although the 88 series from Oldsmobile originated in the 1940s and was available in multiple trim options, The launch of the Delta 88 marked the replacement of the Super 88 line as Oldsmobile's mid-range full-size cars. The Oldsmobile Tornado, 1966 to 1992, was a front-wheel drive coupe classified as a personal luxury car, first launched in 1966. It was at that time the largest and most powerful front-wheel drive vehicle ever manufactured, and among the earliest modern front-wheel drive cars to feature an automatic transmission. The Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, 1966 to 1997, offered greater performance and luxury compared to the more affordable Cutlass and Cutlass S models, positioning itself at the entry level of the personal luxury car segment. Oldsmobile Omega, 1973 to 1984, European-flavored compact car originally based on the Chevrolet Nova and later the Chevrolet Citation. Oldsmobile Achieva, 1992 to 1998, compact sedan and coupe. Oldsmobile Alero, 1999 to 2004, compact sports sedan and coupe. Oldsmobile Aurora, 1995-2003, full-size luxury performance sedan. Oldsmobile Bravada, 1991-2004, midsize premium sport utility vehicle. Oldsmobile Intrigue, 1998-2002, midsize luxury sports sedan. Oldsmobile Silhouette, 1990-2004, premium minivan. Throughout its 128-year history, Oldsmobile was recognized as a testing ground for innovative technologies and pioneering advancements of its kind on a production automobile. Attempts to rebrand itself with models like the Aurora and Intrigue, Oldsmobile couldn't regain its momentum. Despite its closure in 2004, it left a legacy of innovation and helped shape the American car industry. Oldsmobile may be gone, but it is far from forgotten. As a pioneer of the automobile industry, the brand's contributions continue to influence modern vehicle design, production, and performance. With over a century of history behind it, Oldsmobile remains a symbol of innovation and a testament to America's automotive golden age. Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for more informative videos. Please share and subscribe to our channel.